What up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to cash up on this money making app called Appflame. So guys, if you don't know Appflame, I'll briefly just in short explain what is Appflame. Before we get into today's topic, can you please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cash out in this app called Appflame. So as you can see, I've already downloaded this app. I've been using it for a while. So the reason I'm doing this cash out today, I wanted to do it live so that you can see how you can cash out on this app, because many people are having trouble of cashing out on this app. But before I show you the cash out process, I'll briefly explain how this app works. So let's click open. That being said guys, here on this app you can make money by playing different games. As you need to allow this app into your phone, then after granting this app access into your phone, you'll be able to earn points. Whenever you want to play a game, you have to come into this app guys and then click on the game that you want to play. After that you will earn points. You'll earn per minute or per level. It will depend on the instructions that you were given. So first step one guys, how to withdraw here on this app. So you will click here on the drop down, then you will say payout. So guys, there are so many options you can choose from guys, but in this case I'll choose to withdraw in PayPal. Then click more payout, then I'll choose PayPal guys. I will choose this one. I'll choose to withdraw maybe 9,701 coins. Alright guys, so let's click payout. After clicking payout, you'll be required to take a human verification to make sure that the person that is withdrawing here is a human being. They want to make sure whether it's a human being or they want to make sure you are not a robot, you are a human being. After that you click then take a photo. After you've taken a photo, you'll be required to put in your PayPal image. As you can see now, my face scan is uploading. It was uploaded successfully guys. So now as you can see here, they say great, you are a human, you can now process with the payout. So I'll click payout, then okay. Then I'll be required to put my phone number or my email address, confirm that you are not a robot, then because so guys, as you can see now, my balance is no longer the same here. Now it says 6,984 coins guys. I've made a withdrawal. As you can see here guys, I've successfully made a withdrawal. This is my proof that I made a withdrawal of 9,701 coins, of which is equivalent to $1 guys. So here in my country, this 14 rand 3 cent is equivalent to $1 guys. So guys, in the country that you are located in, the minimum payout will differ from country to country. This is the money that I earned for exchange of 9,701 coins. That's how you make a withdrawal on Appflame. The link is in the description if you wanna join this app. It has a very low minimum withdrawal guys, so anyone can do this. It is available in almost all the countries and it's available for only Android devices. If you are using an iOS device, unfortunately you won't be able to download and use this app. Sorry guys, once again, if you have any experience or any questions about this app, leave a comment down in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos about making money for free online, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.